Yeah, I said what I said. Get your ass out the bed and get it. I'ma stay committed. You got the right one. Yo, I say what I say. You can't get it, get out the way. I'ma stay with it. Yeah, they got the right one.
Man, I'm getting ready for business. Let them hear it, baby. So getting ready, y'all. There you go. There you go. All right. Look at that. Good stuff. I love it. Stand and step and everything.
Hey, family, what's going on? Hey, listen, we got a lot of things to talk about, so let's get started. Okay, I was telling y'all about communicating to people that's in basic training, AIT, okay, or even people that's already finished all that training and they're in the big army. So understand that these soldiers do not have a way of contacting you, okay? The only time they have a chance to contact you is what? Once a week, pretty much. And that's only if the drill sergeants and them allow them to do it. But other than that, they have no other way of communicating with you. So what I'm telling you about send out cards, which is a business that I have on the side, and look down below in the description, you'll see send out cards. Go to that link. And when you go to that link, it's a card that you actually put an intuitive thought into words, and you can add photos, pictures. You got pictures. If you go to your phone and you look in your phone, you got pictures all in your phone. But take those pictures and add it to the card, right? And send it to your people. Listen, while they're in training, you have no idea of some of the stress that they go through. So they need that. They need that form of communication so you can be able to get them through that next step. And it's so important to do that. All right? They call you once a week. But the fact is, think about them getting a card every other day. Okay? That's important to them because once they get a card, once they go ahead and get that information, they get a chance to see faces they ain't seen in a while. They get a chance to be able to see some of the things that you wrote for them. And it makes a big difference to help them get there. All right. And if you look at my link below again and send out cards, all right, you go to my link, it's a free card you can send just to see how it works. But you don't want to take too long because the fact is that you want to make sure that they start getting this information. I send out cards all the time. This is what I do. And there's no reason for each and one of you to be able to know that you have something that's in your hand every day, which is a cell phone, okay, which is nothing but a lot of pictures, especially you people out there love taking those selfies, okay? I'm going to show you how to make an income doing that. And it's not just about the income, but I want you keeping in contact with all your people that's in training, especially because they need that. They need that extra push. So when the end of the day, when they got mail call, they got a card that they can open up and see a picture and some nice, beautiful, heartfelt words about somebody back home, where they share with somebody else to get them smiling and be like, guess what? They might have had a crazy and one of those days where I'm telling you, these cards come at the right time. And if you look down again below in my link, okay, and send out cards, you can go and you can see how it works. All right. And you can also make sure, leave a comment. If you have a challenge with it, if you have a problem, just leave a comment and I would definitely be able to answer it. This is something that I'm so excited about because of the fact is now we got a way that we can communicate with our loved ones, our friends, you know, people that you know that you want to support. This is what this is all about. Okay. And like I say later on, if it's something you really enjoy, that's no problem. We can turn it into an income for you. All right. Listen, I did not have people share programs like this with me. Okay. And I need all of y'all to stick together. Seriously, I need y'all to be able to share this with other people. All right. This is something where I cannot stand, and it bothers me that you have, all right, some knowledge of information to help somebody who needs some extra money, or somebody who needs to get in contact with somebody. Or let's just say that you got a friend or a family member that, you know, have a problem with somebody, somebody they haven't seen in a while, and you'd be like, guess what? Why don't you send them a card? It sounds funny, people, but you'd be surprised how important that is. These cards are just like angels. I am so serious. This is why I'm definitely pushing it, because I want you to understand that only thing you're doing is just giving back. You're showing some appreciation. You're showing somebody, you know what? I haven't seen you in a while. And I was just thinking about what we did 3 or 4 years ago. And I want to just send you a heartfelt message and tell you I really miss you. This is what you can do. And it's not hard. The only reason why people are not doing this is because, one, they don't have the knowledge of it. They don't know anything about it. Or the big thing is they just lazy and don't want to try it. And I think that is crazy. I need all y'all to stick together. If it's something that you're not interested in, pass it on to somebody else, because somebody else get an opportunity to see this and they can run with it and they can really, really make a difference in somebody else's life. All right. So don't forget to go ahead, like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Okay. Hit that notification bell, because I'm going to be talking about this. This is something that I do, and I want to make sure that now you have somebody that's going to show you step by step how to do this, how to be able to open your mind, how to be able to bring something, all right, to an income where you never thought you could do, with something that you carry every single day right there in your hand. And I see it all the time, and I even hear about it. Man, people in training, man, especially basic, they need this information. They need cards every day if they can get it. I'm telling you right now, I do have people right now that's sending their people their cards, and they getting a card, I'm telling you right now, if not every day, every other day. And you can do that. Add those photos, because that is what stimulates your brain. That's what stimulates your brain. And that's what I'm talking to you about now. Send out cards. It's a program, all right? It's a tool, all right? And it can also be, okay, an income factor of an opportunity for you. So I want to hit you with this. And like I said again, all right, don't hold this in. I'm going to tell you a real quick story. Real quick story. Check this out. Let's just say, for instance, right, that you just have finished talking to your neighbor, and your neighbor was talking about how they had a flat on their car and they really need to get some new tires and everything. And all of a sudden, you know, you break the conversation, you off to work. On the way to work, what happened? You see something called Michelin. You see a tire shop and it says Michelin tires, $25 a piece. Now, you might not know about tires, okay? But Michelin tires are very, very expensive. So $25 a piece, you get kind of curious. So you go and you say, hey, you know, I seen this sign out there where you say Michelin tires, $25 a piece. I'm kind of curious about this and skeptical. Say, why are you only selling these Michelin tires? This is a $100 tire. Why are you only selling it for $25? He said, well, what happened is when we ordered it, we ordered too many, and now we're trying to get rid of them. So we have them on sale for $25 a piece. So before they change their mind, they automatically say, okay, put 4 on there for me. So they put the 4 tires on there for them. So then on the way home, they driving and they think, so you know what? I want to something wrong with these tires. Let me go and make a sharp turn. And maybe if I make a sharp turn, automatically the tire is going to just turn flat. So they make a sharp turn, nothing happens. Okay, they say, well, let me go with some bumps real hard and see if anything happened. They go with some bumps and nothing happened. They was happy, they excited. So they on their way home. They get home, pull up in their driveway, and guess what? They see their next door neighbor. They see their next door neighbor, they get out and they speak. They speak and then they go in the house. Why? Think about what I'm saying. The young lady was just talking about she had a flat and she needed to get some tires. But what did you do? You were selfish. You didn't even think about it. You just got you some brand new tires, Michelin tires, $25 a piece, and you didn't even share that with your neighbor next door. People, this is what's going on right now. I don't want you to be that way. And I want you to think, I need you to start sharing this process with other people. Because if you don't need it, somebody else probably do. So I'm gonna leave the video at that. Again, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel, okay? And hit that notification bell. And down below, you will see, all right, in the description box, you will see send out cards. Send out cards where you can actually go on there, all right, and you can send out a free card on me. Yes, this is Sergeant First Class Cross, signing out, retired. You guys, I will see you on the next video. Arr! Army National Guard recruiting. This is Max in the military. How can I help you?
Yeah, you feel your destiny calling you like a Motorola. Not sure what to do, but you're focusing on the roller. All I gotta take a moment, take a look into space. And if you're looking deep enough, you see you got what it takes. So put the fatigues on, we getting suited and booted. We protecting the people, not cause that's the way that we do it. Always proving that we done got the heart in us. We always training, always got them really hard hitters. We always on a mission, never missing, never leave a man alone. Cause we always sticking in it, best believe it, coming strong. Now we homegrown, see the pride is hereditary. Wanna do the fullest, do the max in the military, yeah.
Set. Attention.